Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake pads on a Honda Accord. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Gather all your tools, including a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a socket set. Slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you plan to work on while it is still on the ground. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe process. With your vehicle securely on jack stands, remove the lug nuts and then the wheel. You will now see the brake assembly. Use a 12mm socket to remove the 2 caliper guide pin bolts. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor and hang it securely to avoid damaging the brake hose. Next, remove the old brake pads and any metal clips from the caliper bracket, noting their orientation. Now, clean the caliper bracket thoroughly and install the new anti-rattle clips, applying a small amount of brake grease. Use a C-clamp or a specialized piston tool to compress the caliper piston back into its housing, making room for the thicker new pads. Apply a thin layer of brake grease to the new pads' backing plates. Install the new pads into the bracket, then carefully slide the caliper back over the rotor and pads. Secure the caliper by reinstalling the guide pin bolts, tightening them to 37 pound-feet. Reattach the wheel, hand tightening the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground, then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 80 pound-feet using a torque wrench. Finally, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. Check your brake fluid level and perform a cautious test drive at low speeds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.